We are elated that we have people both in person and virtually.
But I definitely want them to read for a job someday, and that means being able to follow directions.
A lot of the training today has been how to start at the bottom level and then level up with those students and move those students forward.
Say expressively, I might say, what are these? Socks. Okay, so now we have tacting or labeling receptively.
You know, it really helped giving us how to build relationships with students, starting off with errorless learning so they are successful, and you know, neurologically that helps them. It takes some great teachers to start building those kids, because the goal is to move them out and get them into the general ed setting.
At the age of 33, I live independently, I have no debt, and I paid for my graduate school out of pocket. The reality is, we should not be written off as being incapable in many different fields. And what I believe is important is focusing not only on the strengths, but building up the weaknesses of people with different learning differences.